I'm immediately exposed to busy lights displays and the colors and all these visual aspects of the store, like all the visual aspects really catch my eyesight when I walk around and try to find what I want to buy. And that's what shopping experience is like for most of us. It's a very visual experience where what you see is one of the most important part of the experience. But have you ever thought about what this experience would be like for people who can't see what the items look like? So Team Beyes, not BS, Beyes, we are going to tackle this problem. So here's Wonju Choi's our developer. Jin and Shin is in charge of business development, and I'm the marketing person. I'm Jisoo Kim, and here's our Team Beyes, and we're all undergraduates. So did you know that there are 285 million visually impaired people around the globe, and 290,000 alone in Korea? So that's a lot. And out of them, 78% of them said they have extreme difficulty when they go shopping. And when they go shopping, they always need help from someone, either to actually go to the store or to select the items that they want. Because the only way for them to know what the items look like is to ask someone. So we thought, why don't we make a mobile app service so they know what the item looks like without actually having to ask someone every single time. So here's our mission statement. We would like to build a barrier-free society where visually impaired and non-impaired people can all shop without any inconvenience. So at this point you might think, well, if you're blind, how do you know colors? And is that really important to them? And if it's a mobile app service, how do they use smartphones? So first of all, according to our research, 93% of them have gained disability over time. So they actually know the concept of colors. And secondly, even whether they were born with a disability or not, they still care about what they wear, how they look, and about fashion in general. And just because they can't see, that doesn't mean that they don't care. And lastly, they still use smartphones using voice-over technology. So with these insights, we created an app to encourage their independent shopping habits. So here's our solution. Is color recognition mobile app service with voice. So our app is actually live on the App Store right now. It's still developing, but here's our app. That's our logo, and when you open it, it'll just look like a regular phone camera. But you can touch anywhere in the screen, and it'll take the picture of the item that you want to know the color of. And then the voice in the app will tell you what the color is, and it'll be saved in the gallery for further data collection. So here's our business model. The initial costs will be gathered from NGOs and government subsidiaries. And the money will be obviously used for marketing purposes and to further develop our app. And our business model is divided into two, B2C in-app model, where we do have color recognition right now, but we're going to include tag recognition as well for price, texture, and washing methods. And we're also going to include premium page service. It's called Smart Recommendation System, where the collected data from the images will recommend to the users the preferred style. And then we have the business-to-business data access fees. We collect data access fees so we collect location data where the users often go for shopping, and close preference data from the images that were saved in the gallery. And we're going to collect all this data and sell it to companies and organizations. So shopping is for everyone, and it's for everyone to enjoy. And obviously this app needs to develop and improve constantly, but I think it's a step, we're taking a step further to actually change part of their daily lives. And our team name, Beyes, is shortened for We'll Be Your Eyes. So let us be your eyes. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions from our judging panel?
One of your core features is, or one of your core business model elements is location data. People are becoming very sensitive about what data they give up about themselves at this point. What are you going to do to counter that?
So it's going to be optional. So it's not going to be if you download the app, it's not automatic. It's going to be optional. So and that will be used to. We're going to give that to like welfare centers and government and for further usage.
You know the service Be My Eyes? Be My Eyes. It's the service that you call for help, the blind call for help, and online they can tell you what you can see online. So it's basically in person tell you what you are seeing now on the phone.
Yes, but this is a.
So what will be better?
In
do you
person
have-
or.
I mean, it's on a Be My Eyes. The service itself it's up and running for now. And what will be better if you're the customer?
If I was the customer, I would definitely choose. Yes.
Why? So why?
Because, well, I wouldn't want to get help from someone every single time. This is we created this so that they can do it independently, not to get help from someone else. So that's why it's separate. It's different from the other app. And there's another app called Sullivan, and it's similar to this, where you take a picture of it, but they have the little circular button where you have to click that little button to take the picture. So that's how we're different. We can touch anywhere on the screen.
Microsoft also has an app that's similar to this that's not specific for shopping. Have you used it, and what really is making you guys different than